Meet the most powerful street-legal Ford we've ever built. It's the all-new Shelby GT500. I once asked Carroll what was his favorite Shelby, the Cobras, the GT40? Which one? He said, the next one. Well, Carroll, you'd love this next one. It's the same Ford performance team that won Le Mans. They poured their heart and soul into this GT500. They gave it a unique hand-built version of our 5.2-liter aluminum alloy engine in our GT350 and a 2.6-liter supercharger built by Eaton in Athens, Georgia. It delivers more than 700 horsepower through a dual clutch transmission that changes gears in less than 100 milliseconds. So this GT500 can go 0 to 60 in the mid 3-second range, and it'll turn a quarter mile at under 11 seconds. That's as much power as our actual brand new NASCAR Mustang race cars, but this one is street legal. The GT500 is so much more than just a 0 to 60 performance car. It has the dynamics you would expect from the team that won Le Mans, Ford Performance. And the styling also delivers on that Detroit swagger. It has the most downforce ever in a Mustang. So it's time to embarrass some supercars at a Ford price.